There where the sea begins is the place where seagulls glide and people dream. In those waves perfumed with poetry that welcome us over and over again. Where the sun hides after echoes of another age. There, and in no other place, lies a Coruña. It's in its walks where we really feel at home, surrounded by the obelisk, the guardian of time and of the winds, and of the magical Calle Real. Protected by its town square, its name owing to a woman who defended the city against wind and tide, Maria Pita. And of course, reflected in all those glass windows that find in the sea her companion, her friend. It's in its museums, such as the Domus, where we learn through first-hand experience, or the Science House, where knowledge intertwines with leisure. A city full of smiles and moments to savor in the future. It's there where the imposing Tower of Hercules, the oldest working lighthouse in the world, declared a World Heritage Site, rises up and with its light has guided thousands of ships from Roman times onwards. There is where the castle of San Anton, a fortress from the 16th century, reigns among great moments in history. Those moments that tell of the home of Juana de Vega and of the invincible Armada. Where the Campo de la Rata pleases the eye with a homage to the fallen, under the form of solemn megaliths and huge menhirs. It's there where you can lose yourself among its docks and dikes, among sailors and crew, to find peace under the shade of Breogán, and fly over gardens whose beauty attracts us towards the silence of contemplation. Where you lift up your gaze to the millennium, knowing that it was he who, in an eternal duel of gazes with the Tower of Hercules, introduced us to the 21st century. Only there can we find a great green space right in the middle of the city, beaches so long that they stretch past infinity, and horizons where the sea melts into the distance. It's the people and their freedom. Its sunsets, its own history, its charisma, its passion, that make A Coruña a place to look forward to.